arriving again in the hut. I buy eating for my two nurses and for my husband. My housemaid is little bit sick, so she cannot cook. And I'm usually buying because sometimes you want some eating different from the taste before. Before he is cooking, he can cook. But now he cannot cook. Sometimes he telling me, I will cook, you cut onions, you cut potatoes. I said, okay only. Because he's hallucinating, too much hallucinating. So whenever he is telling he's doing like that, and tomorrow morning I will go to my work. He is a soldier, an officer. So he will tell me, 5 o'clock you have to wake me up, make my uniform ready, and my shoes clean, like this. I said, okay, tomorrow ready. Or one time he will tell me, you make ready my passport, I will travel to Dubai. Of all the places, he is in Dubai and he want to go to Dubai.